driving through. Straight chaos. Fun, right? Welcome to Colorado, guys. It's awful. It was worse back like a mile ago, but it's still bad. You can see like the streets flooding and shit. It's super great. Speed limit's like 35 and we're all just going way under that because it's just scary. I don't even know where I'm driving to right now. It's gonna go to King Soopers, but fuck, man. Like, you can just see the raindrops getting, you know, bigger, and when the raindrops get, like, bigger than, like, you know, a normal raindrop size, it's just like, oh, something's gonna happen. Oh my God. I need a Jeep. I need a Jeep. I just drove through a puddle that was like as big as my goddamn car. You guys, this is not okay. Like over there, that'd be a huge puddle. And like, I love puddles. I don't know how to even begin to explain to you how much I love puddles and driving through them because I find them exciting. But right now, I'm finding them a little bit horrifying because my car is a 2006 Toyota Corolla S. Okay, if I had a Jeep, I'd be in all that shit over there. But no, I don't have a Jeep. If I drove through that, I would freaking float away. You guys know this? Ah! Where's King Soopers, man? I need a King Soopers. King Soopers. King Soopers. Oh, I don't know. All these people over here at the gas station hiding because they don't want their cars to get dented. I'm like, please. It's a freaking car. See? A Jeep. That's what I need. Or at least a truck. Something I can go through puddles in that's not going to kill me. Subaru, maybe? Yeah. That seemed to work. Order. I mean, in this weather lately, like, if you guys have been, like, you know, watching the news or anything, you know, and hearing about our weather that we've been having, it's, like, straight up, like, it, you know, it has been raining, and it's raining pretty much like it did last year almost, where we're going to get floods, and everybody's worried about that. But my biggest issue, I think, is the fact that it comes out of nowhere. Like, it's like, you know, 70 degrees, it's nice and sunny, and then, like, all of a sudden, like, you look down, send a text message or something, like, not while you're driving, but just in general. I'm using that as a time. You know, you look down, send a message, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh my God, it's snowing. It's not snowing. Freaking hell is going on? People are driving like crazy people. Like it's rain. And see, from where I am over there is Denver. You can barely see it right now because it's raining that hard. Some crazy shit, man. And what else doesn't help is that my car leaks. Right there, so it's dripping. Luckily, I don't have any passengers right now, because if I did, they'd be freaking soaked. Ugh. I need a truck, you guys. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go so I can drive safely. Let's hope I make it home. Just kidding. The video is posted on YouTube. I obviously made it home. Bye, guys.